Welcome to Bahamas, the country with the best beaches in the world. In this video, you'll see how to get to the best beaches in Nassau, the capital of the country and the place where cruise ships stop. This is the Marina where cruise ships dock and Paradise Island in the background. When you get out of your cruise ship, you'll find a street overlined with overpriced bars and restaurants. But don't eat here, you can find much better fare elsewhere. Take one of the side streets, like this one, to the first parallel street, the main street called Bay Street. So this is Bay Street. You see that there are also many shops here and the famous straw market located behind me. This is a statue of Queen Victoria on Bay Street. You can turn left on Bay Street and get to Paradise Island, or turn right and get to Junkanoo Beach, the closest to downtown. So this is the Junkanoo Beach. As you can see, it's quite nice. You can get beach chairs and umbrellas here. There are many bars with rather inexpensive drinks. Here you can see the neighboring Paradise Island with its lighthouse. And if you look the other way, you'll see how close the beach is from cruise ships. And these are the views from the neighboring Long Wharf Beach. At the end of Long Wharf Beach, you'll find a row of fish fry and seafood restaurants. They are also a bit expensive, but cheaper than in downtown. If you go another way on Bay Street, in the direction of Paradise Island, you'll see some abandoned houses, but don't worry, this area is safe, at least during daytime. When you reach the bridge to the Paradise Island, turn left and cross the bridge. You can also get to Paradise Island by taxi or by boat, which departs from near cruise ships. But as a bonus of walking, you'll get to see these views from the bridge. This is Paradise Island and its landmark, Atlantis Hotel. And if you look the other way, you'll see downtown Nassau, mailboats and cruise ships. And there is a party boat passing under the bridge right now. As you reach Paradise Island, you need to turn right and then go along the walls of Comfort Suite Inn. Then you'll need to turn left on Lakeview Drive, the road that leads to the beach. There is a nice lake here. There is a lot of wildlife. Let's see if we can spot any. As you can see, there is some waterfowl and turtles in the lake. When you reach the end of Lakeview Drive, you go past this hotel and turn to the left. This is the entrance to the beach. Cabbage Beach is one of the best in the Bahamas, at least in my opinion. You can see that there are many people here near big hotels, and the waves are quite big. But if you go more to the right, you'll find some secluded areas and the waves are much smaller. Another option, if you turn right on the Bay Street, is to hop on a bus number 10 or 12 and go to Goodman's Bay. You'll see buses waiting on the George Street, located on the left. Goodman's Bay is one of the best beaches on the island. It's lined with Bahamas, Melia and other very good and expensive hotels. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below and come to the Bahamas.